Good morning, everyone. So today we're going to be heading over to the Porsche Santa Clarita Cars and Coffee. This event happens every first Saturday of the month, and it's been a while. If you guys are like an avid watcher of the channel, it's been a while since we worked on the Mark III Supra. I have parts at the house for it. It's just been a little bit difficult because everyone's like work schedule and Briggs' school schedule, and like we've been trying to like I have videos on my camera that I still need to edit, that we've been like working on Jordan's car. Jordan drives a 2013, I think, or 2015, I forgot what year it is, but he drives a first gen BRZ, and he's been like looking to trade it in and get like the new, either the BRZ or the GR86. We actually have an appointment next Wednesday to go check out the new car. So we've been like trying to like, majority of the times that we've hung out, we've been trying to like put that car back to stock, and then just to like try to like trade it in and like use that money towards down payments towards the new car. But you guys will see that like later on. But yeah, today's gonna be a little bit busy, so we have the Porsche Santa Clarita Cars and Coffee. I need to go to like, I think Chemical Guys or Detail Garage and look at some stuff, like some cleaning products, just because like I ran out of stuff at the house. Normally I go to either Culture Auto Spa or I have someone come to the house and wash my car. And then after that I need to take like some new photos of my car. It's because it's been a while since I've like actually taken photos, and ever since I got the wheels I've had like new motivation to take photos of my car again. And then later, to end the video, I'm going to be hitting up Richard and Zelda, and we're going to be getting food. I'm not too sure what we're going to be like getting food for. I don't know. I have like a list on my phone, and we'll see whatever like they're craving and stuff. But at the end of this video, I want you guys to comment like what's you guys' favorite car from this event. other car here is probably my favorite car here. And I like that one too. I really like that color. We're gonna be checking out the inside actually. I think these are like their display cars for sale. I always go through these cars. I have them so quick. Yeah. I think this one's for sale too. I think it is. I love the interior. I could like and this one's for sale. The other really cool thing about the Porsche Santa Creta is they have like an underground garage for like other cars and stuff. Oh man, look at all these pink colors. Okay, I think this is my favorite car. Holy. I color combo and I think it was so beautiful interior. Alright, this is probably like top 5 of my favorite cars. And here's this sick RWB, the double-decker wing. This color is really nice too. I don't know what color this is. See, I really like the clear the tail lights on the RS. There's some that come with like the red ones, but I think I would, if I were to get one, I think I would do the clear one. Damn, the RWB goes crazy. Damn, they have all the purples today. This color is beautiful too. And I think like other parts of this is an actual museum. Yeah, it's a museum. It's actually pretty cool. This is sick. I need to brush up on my Porsche history. I love this color. I'm trying to do like a quick walk around because I feel like these videos... Okay, I gotta go over here. Oh, look at the dog. Sick. So warm here.
Or a pen, I can like connect the dots. Yeah.
I think LeBron in front of these cars. The 918 Spider.
This right here, Spider.
Trying to do like the quickest walk around of all of the cars. Every time I see these cars, I just instantly think of actually really nice. I like this. The only thing Bricks would say, it's not right-hand drive. Alright, Bricks, I just had to show you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Porsche Santa Clarita, member of the Galpin Motors family. Thank you once again for
Alright, so as everyone started to leave, I was like, I might as well just leave too. I wanted to like kind of film the cars rolling out, but it was like all the cars that were in front of the Porsche dealership, those cars weren't leaving. It was a lot of the spectator cars, and I think I got like a decent amount of footage. I'll have to like check my computer later. This is actually a pretty good event, to be honest. My favorite cars probably of this event was, I think it was that yellow Carrera 4S, if I'm not mistaken, and then I don't know what color it was, but there was like this GT3 RS. It was downstairs. It was some shade of purple. It was like a light shade of purple, and it was next to the RWB Porsche. And then another Porsche that I really liked was this. It was a GT3. It was white with a champagne champagne stripe down the middle, and I want to hear like what you guys' favorite cars was from the event. I'm hoping I got a decent amount of footage, just because like I don't want to do like a whole walk around of the place, because it would have been a very long video. But I'm probably gonna go meet up with Zeldin and Richard later. I'm gonna go to Chemical Geyser Detail Garage right now just to pick up some cleaning products, and then I don't think I'm gonna take you guys with me. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Zilla.
God.
Alright.
Put it on the side.
RJ, put this on the side.
Say hi.
Come on!